Photobiomodulation, phototherapy, biostimulation, photonic stimulation, soft laser therapy, cold laser therapy, non-thermal LED light, low level or low power laser therapy. Why don't we just call it what it is? Red light therapy. So what are the red lights in the red light therapy devices, and really what do they do? Well, I'll tell you, most of the red light therapy devices on the market are gonna have two separate lights. One is gonna be a red light and the other is gonna be a near infrared light. And to show you the red lights, I'm gonna do a quick demonstration and show you. This is a typical red light therapy device. This is Hooga Health. It's the red light therapy device of my choice. There's a lot of great companies out there, but most of my red light therapy devices are Hooga Health. I will post a link in the description below with a discount code MAUS. Will save you 12% if you choose to get one for yourself, but there's a lot of great companies out there. All right, so the first light is gonna be, and it's hard to do the video with these lights on, you'll see in a second. This is the red light. So you can see the red light with your eyes. It's visible, it's 660 nanometers, and what that means is it's going to penetrate into the skin. This light is absorbed into the skin, and it's going to help stimulate the skin's repair, collagen production, and the overall external look, feel, and health of your skin. The other light, turn this one off, you can kind of see this. Kind of not. Let's see, you see how it kind of turned on there? That is near infrared. Now that is not visible to the eye. That is around 850 nanometers is what you're typically gonna see on a red light therapy device. Now just because it's not visible to the eye doesn't mean it's not powerful. Now this actually penetrates deeper into the skin, actually through the skin, into the subcutaneous of your body, into your muscles, into your joints, into your nerves, and stimulates the health on the inside of your body. So having red light and near infrared light on these devices makes it a powerhouse, pun intended, powerhouse of a device. Me, my wife, and my kids, and most of my friends who have ever came over to my house have experienced red light therapy devices because we have a few at our house. My wife does it every single day. I'm not as religious as her where I get into it every day, but I do it 5 to 6 days a week, which I guess could pretty much be considered every day. My kids also use red light therapy devices most of the time, and we have one of these on most of their nightstands in their rooms, and they use these as night lights and also put them on their skin when they're going to sleep, which is pretty cool to see. I'd like to rattle off some of the benefits of red light therapy devices that you may have heard of and some you may have not ever heard of. The first one is the outward appearance of your skin. Helps reducing wrinkles and scars and stretch marks, age spots, sun damage spots, redness, rosacea, eczema, and even acne. A major benefit of red light therapy that most people talk about is the collagen production in your skin. It's gonna help give your skin structure, strength, and elasticity. What I love is it helps to increase the blood circulation into the connective tissue inside your body, which will help to reduce inflammation and pain, especially that joint pain and arthritis. One crazy thing a lot of people don't talk about is because of that increased circulation, it's gonna help to burn body fat. It's gonna help with sports recovery and injury prevention, while also promoting brain health and even hair growth. If you do this at the same time every day, this is also gonna help keep your body into a good, healthy circadian rhythm, which will also help you with getting a deep restorative sleep. And for my married couple friends out there, this also helps with sexual performance. Now let's talk about where red light therapy even came from and how it works. So originally, NASA started experimenting with red light therapy because they would take these red lights up into space to help plants grow. And it actually worked. They also found that the red light therapy devices also help the astronauts when they would have a wound or an injury heal. Kind of similar to how the sun helps us heal down here on Earth. But here's the crazy thing and why we need red light therapy devices. There's a free way and a cheaper way to do this, right? Just get outside and get more sun. However, I think the number is like 90% of our days are spent indoors or under cover or shelter from the sun. There's some number I saw out there recently, but it was like 90% of our day. And if you do the math, try to figure it out, it's probably pretty accurate. Matter of fact, if you're somebody who spends less than 90% of your day sheltered from the sun, please comment below because I'd like to connect with you. Now here's the crazy thing you've probably already heard, and I'm gonna try to keep it simple. So how red light therapy actually works for us is it stimulates the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of our cells inside our body. And by stimulating our mitochondria, what it does is it kickstarts our mitochondria to saying, hey, we've got tons of energy and we've got a lot of jobs to do, so let's get to work. And then when your mitochondria is kickstarted and full of energy, your cells are full of energy, they can work much more efficiently. And they have a lot of jobs in our body that unfortunately, because of so much of the oxidative stress that's on the inside of our body, they're not able to work very well. So using red light therapy on a regular basis is going to help our cells work more efficiently. And with more energy, our cells can get to work repairing our skin, helping us heal. boosting new cell growth, and fighting off the free radicals that are inside of our body that cause so much oxidative stress. One more really cool thing that red light therapy can do is can help to increase the nitric oxide inside our body, which will increase our blood flow, stimulating a quicker healing process, a stronger immune system, and even help regulate our blood pressure, keeping healthy blood pressure levels, which will also help reduce inflammation. All right, so now let's get down to it. How do you do it? Let's say you buy one of these devices and you have it here. What do you do? Do you have to be butt naked? Do you have to use it every single day for an hour? It's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is sit in front of it, turn it on, and let it hit your skin. Now, obviously, it's better if you take your clothing off because you want it to be on the skin, but you can sit as close as 6 inches from your light and as far away as 36 inches. Now, obviously, the further you get away, the more it's going to spread and it's gonna hit a much larger amount of your body, your face, your skin, depending on the size of your device. Now, the cool thing, what I like about Hooga is they have full body panels and they've got multiple options. They've got regular red light therapy devices, which are great. And then they have the Pro, which is what this is, and they're absolutely incredible. And you can feel the difference. Like, you can truly feel like when I'm done doing a session in front of one of my Hooga red light therapy devices, this is the HG Pro, this thing's amazing. I feel it. Like, I actually feel the energy boosting inside me. As a matter of fact, they're so powerful that sometimes when I'm in front of them for a long period of time, I sweat. But yeah, you just sit right in front of these things, or stand in front of them, or work out in front of them, or do yoga in front of them, or sleep in front of them. Let the light hit your skin as close as 6 inches, as far away as 36 inches, and you can do this as little as 2 minutes a day, and you can go up to 15 minutes per day. And the crazy thing, what a lot of people do is they'll have one device and they'll spend 15 minutes on their front and then they'll turn and do 15 minutes on their back. That's what me and my wife like to do. You can go shorter and you can go longer. It all depends on the distance away, the device you have, and really what your goals are. For example, a skin treatment, like if you're really focused on trying to reduce wrinkles and stretch marks, it's gonna require a little bit less time because it's right here. However, deep tissue, like if you're really trying to focus on maybe burning fat or working on your connective tissue or helping with a joint problem or something that's inside your body, it might take a little bit more time. But you can, and really you should, do this every single day. This is something you can do daily, and you can do multiple times a day just depending on what your goals are. Like I said, I have multiple red light therapy devices. My go-to has been Hooga Health. That is what we stay consistent with. So once again, I'm gonna post the link to Hooga Health down here in the description of my video. Or if you're one of my viewers that watches my channel on TV, which I found has been about 10% of my viewers, I'm gonna move over here and I'm gonna put a nice little QR code that you can scan right here from your phone. So if you're sitting down watching this on a television or a device where you're not able to just scroll to the link, but you wanna check this stuff out, go ahead and scan this QR code right here. It'll take you right to the site. Use discount code MAUS. That'll save you 12% off everything on their site. They also have some really cool other options. They have an HG series. They have an HG Pro series. They have multi-unit setups if you want to make it much wider or much taller. They have panel mounting systems so you can put it up on your wall, or they even have stands where you can roll them around. That's what we have in our garage gym. They also have some really high quality other color therapy lights, blue light blocking lights, grounding mats, EMF blocking clothing, and their newest product, which is on back order because they're selling like crazy, is a red light therapy pod, which is a full body. You literally get naked and you get into it kind of like a burrito, just your head sticking out and your entire body is covered with red light therapy, which is absolutely awesome. I'm super stoked because that saves time. I mean, really, if you're able to get into something and have your entire body hit with red light therapy at the exact same time, I mean, can you really beat that, right? Now, I wanted to make this video as something to more educate people on what red light therapy is, because I did a survey on my YouTube channel the other day and had quite a few people respond, and not a lot of people know anything about red light therapy, but it's such a powerful therapy, and I think it should be looked at and maybe experimented with a little bit more. I know there's a lot of different names, like in the beginning of this video, I brought up all the different names for it, but it's simple. It's red light therapy. That's what it is. It's what it does. It boosts the mitochondria inside your body. It's got amazing benefits, and it's, for the most part, pretty affordable. So I hope this video helped maybe educate you just a little bit more on what red light therapy is. And if this video had any value at all, please let me know by hitting the like button. I do appreciate everyone for subscribing. I've been really excited to see this channel grow. So thank you to every one of my subscribers. And if you're watching this channel and you've been watching a few of my videos and you aren't subscribed yet, it does mean a lot to me. I literally watch the ticker. I'm stoked to see every single day a couple more people subscribing to the channel, and some days are better than others, but it means a lot to me and it really, really motivates me. So thank you so much to every subscriber that I have, and if you're considering subscribing, that would be really cool too. If there was any questions that I did not answer, or maybe you were like, I'm questioning that, please post them in the comments below. I respond to every single comment, so just ask away. And other than that, I appreciate every one of you. I hope you all have a great day. Do a little experimenting. Check out red light therapy. There's a lot of places you can do it. There's some places you can literally walk in and just pay 15 bucks or whatever to try the red light therapy devices. Give it a try. But if you're into health, biohacking, fitness, and wellness, I would heavily encourage you to look at investing into a red light therapy device for your home or office, so it's something you can experience on a daily basis and really get those benefits. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for watching, and I want you to know that if you thought this video was cool, I think you're really gonna wanna check out this video right here. This is a video you're really gonna wanna check out, so just go ahead and click right there.